Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin. Clean thoroughly with soap and water, then dry completely. Moisture prevents adhesion. Once done, trim fine hair or shave a small patch leaving about 0.5 cm margin so edges seal. Peel the clear protective film off the sticker carefully, then place the adhesive side down where you want the design. Press lightly at first to set position. Do not rub yet. This gives you an accurate placement and avoids bubbles when you press firmly in the next step. Now seal the tattoo. Press from the center outward for 10-15 seconds to expel air pockets and ensure full contact. Next, take a damp cloth or sponge and blot firmly over the sticker for 20-30 seconds. The moisture activates the adhesive and film transfer. Make sure to avoid rubbing, which shifts the design. Once the transfer looks complete, let the area set undisturbed for 2-5 minutes so glue bonds. After that, wait. Gently lift a corner to confirm adhesion before normal activity. Finish by slowly peeling the backing paper. Pull at a low angle while supporting the tattoo with your other hand, and rub the edges for 5-10 seconds to secure. For longer wear, apply a thin clear top coat or a light mist of hairspray and let dry. That adds a water-resistant layer lasting 12-24 hours. If an edge starts to lift, rehydrate the adhesive lightly, press down and hold. If the image smudges, blot and let dry. Avoid reapplying top coat over a wet smear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.